Good Saturday evening, everyone. I'm Storm Tracker 12 meteorologist Isaac Cleland. Welcome on to ABC12.com or the Storm Tracker 12 weather app. Live view in West Branch late this afternoon. Recording this video here at 5:15 p.m. Certainly some snow coming down and some lowered visibility. I-75 covered pretty well there. In Pinconning, very low visibility here with the snow coming down. The higher snowfall totals have been being observed across the northern parts of the area. It has been a Storm Tracker 12 alert day that will be ending later this evening. As the snow comes to an end, we'll see snow through about midnight, and after that it'll just be tapering off to flurries overnight. Certainly some snowy roads out there this evening, so allow some extra travel time on those snow-covered and slippery roadways. The alert day will be in place through the evening, then after midnight it will come to an end. Overnight lows will be settling down to around the 20-degree mark as the snow tapers off to just some lingering flurries. Here's a look at Storm Tracker 12 Doppler radar at 5:15 p.m. Greatest coverage of snow certainly in the northern parts of the area. Further southward, we're seeing some snow along I-69 as well, with a gap here in between. There's kind of two different waves of energy, one that came at us from the west-northwest and one that came at us from the southwest. So kind of a complex setup here with some snow to the south, snow to the north, and again that gap in the middle. I do think the gap in between will fill in for a brief time this evening before all of the snow tends to wind down as we head towards midnight. As we take a wider view, you will be able to notice that over the past 12 hours we had this wave coming in from the west-northwest, also this wave coming at us from the southwest, even some thunder, freezing rain. You can see those lightning strikes down in Indiana and Ohio, but it's as these two different systems kind of came at us from two different directions. That's what we've been dealing with today, and again that gap there right in between. Winter weather advisory to our south, and then winter weather advisory here in our northern counties as well. The areas shaded in purple, those are the winter weather advisories, simply because that's where the higher snowfall totals are occurring today. Though these winter weather advisories will be expiring later on tonight. Here's the snowfall forecast that I did show back early this morning. Lower totals south, higher totals north. This is the general idea here. An inch or less south of I-69, 1 to 3 in between, and 3 to 5 further north. There have been some risks with this complex forecast. Could be some isolated totals up to 2, even though most areas are favored to see an inch or less here in the red dashed area. There also could be a little bit of some sleet or freezing drizzle that mixes in, although it should be mainly snow. And then in this orange dashed area, that's where there's overall some lower confidence in the exact snowfall totals, because there's really a sharp cutoff here between the higher totals to the north and the lower totals off to the south. Here's the hour by hour. You can see how the snow should fill in for a brief time this evening area wide. That means the snow becomes widespread where we all see that snow. Then after midnight, snow moves out. We'll just see some lingering flurries. For the day on Sunday, mostly cloudy skies with a few flurries. Monday, we should even sneak in a few peeks at the sun. Tuesday also looks to be a rather quiet day out ahead of our next storm system that looks to come in late Wednesday and carry into early Thursday. So here's a look at this now. This could bring us another round of accumulating snow, with at least several inches being a possibility. Again, late Wednesday carrying into early Thursday looks to be the time frame of this, and if this does indeed hold, we will need to consider another Storm Tracker 12 alert day for the Wednesday night into Thursday morning time frame, and this means that the drive into work or school on Thursday morning could certainly be impacted, so we will keep a close eye on that. So lows tonight near 20, highs tomorrow upper 20s with a few flurries, partly sunny on Monday, mostly cloudy Tuesday. There's that late Wednesday into early Thursday snow. Again, we will consider a Storm Tracker 12 alert day late Wednesday and for Thursday morning too. We'll keep a very close eye on this as there could be some more accumulating snow. It's an active pattern. Even more snow is possible next Saturday.